Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is curry leaf chicken. Let's start the recipe. Take 3/4 cup of cleaned curry leaves and 2 small pieces of cinnamon. Add 1 star anise, 1 red chilli, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of black pepper and 1 cardamom. Dry roast them until curry leaves becomes crispy. Now let them cool completely. Grind into fine powder. If the curry leaves are crushed with the hands, as shown in the video, then the curry leaves are roasted perfectly. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 small onion and 1 green chilli. Saute until onion turns soft. Add 1/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Add 1/4 kg of chicken. I use chicken with bones. You can even use chicken without bones. Add half tablespoon of turmeric and mix well. Close and cook until chicken is cooked perfectly. Add salt as per your taste. Add grinded curry leaf powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder and mix well. Add 1/4 cup of water. Close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. Add chopped coriander and mix well. Adjust salt as per your taste. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Very tasty curry leaf chicken is ready. You can serve this recipe with rice, chapati, roti or even as a starter. More chicken recipes are given in the description box. Please check it there. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.